Good morning, my dear students. This is part 3 of chapter 5, fractions. In our last class, we discussed about proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Today, we shall discuss about how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. So let us begin with the topic conversion of fractions. Number 1, improper fraction to mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction, we follow the procedure mentioned below. So I shall describe it with one example. Convert 8 by 3 into mixed fraction. Solution. Step 1. Divide numerator by denominator. Step number 2. Write the quotient as whole number, remainder as numerator, and denominator remains denominator of the fractional part. So in our example, it was 8 by 3. So I shall divide 8 by 3. I get 2 as quotient and 2 as remainder. The quotient part will be the whole number part of the mixed fraction. The remainder is the numerator part and the denominator is same here. Denominator is 3. So in mixed fraction also we have the denominator 3. Let us check another example. 103 divided by 15. So I shall divide 103 by 15. The quotient is 6. That will be whole number part of the mixed fraction. The remainder is 13. That is numerator of the mixed fraction. And 15 will be the denominator. Number 2, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we have to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. A mixed fraction is combination of a whole number and proper fraction. So I shall explain it with one example. Convert 3 and 5 by 7 into improper fraction. So solution, I have mentioned the steps to follow. Number 1, multiply the whole number by denominator of the fraction. Step number 2, add numerator to the product. Step number 3, the sum is numerator of the required improper fraction. The denominator is same as denominator of the fractional part. We have 3 and 5 by 7. So what we shall do? We shall multiply the whole number 3 by the denominator 7 and then add numerator 5 to the product. So 3 into 7 plus 5 divided by the denominator 7. 3 into 7 is 21 plus 5 by 7, which is equal to 26 by 7. Example, convert to improper fraction. Number 1, 13 and 7 by 10. So we have to multiply 13 by the denominator 10, then add 7. If I multiply 13 by 10, I get 130 and plus 7 is 137 and the denominator is 10. The same way, 5 and 3 by 11 will give 5 into 11 plus 3 divided by 11, which is equal to 55 plus 3 by 11, which is equal to 58 by 11. Next topic is equivalent fractions. The fractions that represent the same value are called equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by same number. So you will understand it with the explanation of finding equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Question number 1. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. So what I have mentioned? I mentioned that we can get equivalent fraction by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by same number. We can multiply and we can divide also, but here as both the numbers are prime numbers, the numerator and the denominator, we cannot divide by any other number. It is just divisible by 1 only. So we have to multiply with the same number, both numerator and denominator. 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, the same number, we get its first equivalent fraction. So 3 into 2 is 6, 7 into 2 is 14. Therefore, 6 by 14 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. We have to find 3 more equivalent fractions. So let us multiply the numerator and denominator by another number, 6. So 3 into 6 is 18. 7 into 6 is 42. So another equivalent fraction is 18 by 42. The next equivalent fraction, I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 10. So 3 into 10 divided by 7 into 10 is equal to 30 by 70. Then again 3 by 7 equal to 3 into 5 divided by 7 into 5, which is equal to 15 by 35. So the 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7 are 6 by 14, 18 by 42, 30 by 70, 15 by 35. You can take any number to multiply numerator and denominator to get equivalent fraction. It can be 1000, it can be 999. You can take any number to multiply the numerator and denominator. Next question. Write 3 equivalent fractions of 8 by 24 by division. Here you have to divide. You cannot multiply numerator and denominator, but here you have to divide with some number and get the equivalent fractions. So 8 by 24, if I divide both numerator and denominator by 2, 8 is divisible by 2, 24 is also divisible by 2, dividing the same by the same number 2. So I get 4 by 12. So 4 by 12 is equivalent fraction of 8 by 24. Next equivalent fraction to find is we divide 8 by 24 by 4, both a numerator and denominator. So we get 2 by 6. To find the next equivalent fraction by division, we divide numerator 8 and denominator 24 by 8 and we get 1 by 3. Therefore, equivalent fractions of 8 by 24 by division are 4 by 12, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Homework is from exercise 5.2, question number 3 and question number 4. Classwork, you do it from exercise 5.3, question number 2 and submit your homework and classwork on Friday. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.